Hello, Namaste. Today we are going to do daily morning 10 minutes, even night before going to the 10 minutes. After food, should have 1 hour gap or 2 hour gap. So you need to practice it any position. Okay. So this is the first I'm going to do Moola Bandha, which will help you to lock your thighs and calf muscle, and I'll just showing to do now. First we need to inhale from the nostril and fill your stomach and tight your thighs and tight your calf muscle, tight your thighs. We need to hold for minimum 10 seconds. Then breathe out through nostril. So this is the inhale through nose and hold your breath and exhale, relax. But when you're holding, we need to tight your calf muscle, thighs, everything. Okay. Now I'm going to do inhale and tight it. Exhale. Rest for some time. Again inhale and hold your breath. Tight your thighs, tight your calf muscle, everything tighten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Again breathe for 2 to 3 times. Rest. Inhale. Third round. Again you can tight it. Tight your only thighs muscle, groin muscle, hips and calf muscle. First set should be done only Mool Bandha. Yes. Inhale. Lock your thighs. Lock your calf muscle. Lock your groin. That's it. Tighten. Hold 10 seconds. Release it. This you have to do 10 rounds. So sometime if you're not able to do, just 5 rounds also enough for you. Just tightening your thighs, groin, calf muscle and release it. 10 seconds with 5 sets. Inhale. Tight your thighs, tight your groin, tight your foot, tight your calf muscle. This has to be done 10 seconds. Hold your breath. Exhale. Now we are going to do next is Udyan Bandha. Only abdomen lock. See which place I am telling, that place you should tight it very powerfully. Okay. Now inhale. Tight your stomach. Stomach in. Exhale. 1 round over. Like that, you need to do 5 rounds. Minimum, maximum 10 rounds. Again, I am going to do second round. Fill your stomach and tight it now. Tight. In. And relax. This is called Udyan Bandha. We need to practice minimum 5 rounds. Inhale, abdomen tightening. So after every round we need to take a small rest. This is very important. Okay. So last one more round. I'm just showing demo. We need to practice for 5 rounds minimum. Exhale. When I'm saying stomach only, you need to tight it maximum. You should tight it. You should feel the pain also. Then only very effective, good for weight reduction. Next, Jalandhar Bandh. So we need to do first inhale. Lock your throat. And next straight exhale the nostril. We need to take a small rest. So we inhale the nostril and hold your breath. Lock your chin to throat. Exhale. Rest is very important every round. Inhale, you're locking chin to throat very tightly. Means you should feel the pain. Again, I'm doing third round. Inhale, lock your chin to throat, hold it. When you're locking the chin to throat, you should not talk, should not open your mouth also. Lock it tightly, hold it for 10 seconds. Now next straight, exhale it, relax. So again I'm doing one more round. Inhale, lock your chin to throat, hold your breath. Sometime if you're not able to your breath, no problem, but try holding the breath and locking chin to throat, you have to tightly hold it. Okay. Next I'm going to do Surya Veda Pranayama. Make sure Nasik Mudra, fold your index and middle finger. Inhale with the right. See, right thumb is opened. Inhale with the right. Close your right nostril. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and exhale. Again inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This you can do 2 to 3 minutes. Keep on doing it. The more inhale through right nostril, close your right nostril, hold your breath 5 to 10 seconds, exhale right nostril. Like that, you need to do at least 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 minutes. So this is very important. Inhale, hold your breath 10 seconds, exhale 10 seconds. We need to do, keep doing. The more rounds we need to practice. Inhale through right nostril, hold your breath, close your both nostril, exhale right side only. This Surya Veda we need to do it because this activates your glands and it activates your entire body and it burns a lot of fat in the internally. So we need to practice. Now I am going to do this. I am completed. Now next you can sit any position. There is no compulsory you need to sit this position, nothing. Now I am going to do Ujjayi Pranayama. So Ujjayi to activate thyroid glands and parathyroid glands. Inhale throat. Inhale. Exhale. Only you have to make a throat sound only. Once you see the one round, you can keep on practicing. Inhale. So in middle if you want to rest you can take it, but Ujjayi only the throat breathing, there is no other breathing. Inhale throat, exhale only throat, and you should not breathe out through nostril or mouth. It is completely throat breathing. It's called ocean breathing. How the water waves comes, no, same thing, it is called throat breathing. Okay, we need to practice for again 2 to 3 minutes. This is the last one, and then rub your palms. We need to, after that we finish up. So you can do 2 to 3 minutes without stopping, and then last just a breathing observation after Ujjayi Pranayama. Breathing observation for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I am sitting. Now I am doing breathing observation. I have completed Jalandhar Bandh. Breathing observation means just observe, count it in your mind. Breathe in, breathe out naturally, just counting in mind only. You have to breathe in, breathe out. You have to observe the breathing for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, then you need to keep on observe your breathing. Focus your breathing observation. Focus your vayu, only your nostril, so that inhale, exhale, you can observe it. Okay, now rub your palms. Stop meditation and close your both eyes. And just breathe. And slowly now we are going to lie down in the left side. Last bed only. You switch off your mobile, stop it, and lie down in the left side and sleep for half an hour. How much you want, maybe 10 minutes, also 20 minutes. This all you can do in the bed also, maybe in the morning time, evening time. So whenever you get a time, this is for weight reduction, also fat burning. And just keep it hand sideways anyway, or you can keep it front or fold your leg, any comfortable position. There is no compulsory you have to slide on this. And after that, slowly get up and you can sit. Okay, just I'm showing you demonstration. You need to close this. You can lie down and continue. You should not get up. Okay, thank you.